If your life feels like a never-ending to-do list, you're probably in need of the Sacred Plate. Sarah Vie's new book is here to help. In the Sacred Plate Recipes for Abundant Living, two-time best-selling author Sarah Vie offers a path to intentional living through abundant practices. Imagine replacing your anxiety and fatigue with a sense of groundedness and vitality. Each chapter dives into how specific foods, reflections, and even colors resonate with your energy centers, helping to restore balance and harmony. Sarah combines ancient principles with practical advice, sharing personal stories and spiritual guidance to nurture you in ways that go beyond just eating. The Sacred Plate teaches you how to use every sensory experience to cultivate a fulfilling, abundant life. Feeling overwhelmed, disconnected, or ready for a change? This book will help you engage deeply with your senses and embrace intentional living, aligning your inner and outer worlds. Don't let stress and scarcity define your life any longer. Let the Sacred Plate guide you towards a richer, more abundant existence, where each meal and moment are opportunities for transformation.